Structural composition of wood crusher. Wood crusher is composed of three parts: body, middle body, and lower body. The middle body is equipped with three stator rings, grinding cutter, and fineness analyzer. The main machine adopts alloy cutter head. It has high wear resistance and thus increases the yield. With coarse grinding, fine grinding, and centrifugal grinding, driven by the motor mill rotor, high-speed operation, make the machine produce high-speed air flow to crush material, produce high-strength impact force, compression force, cutting force, and achieve unique crushing function. Wood crusher is a new type of wood production series before the production of ideal woodworking machinery equipment. Wood crusher components are mainly housing, bearing, screen, drive wheel, groove frame composition. All materials are cast from manganese steel.